In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a job on Amazon from the comfort of your own home. This guide will be your go-to resource if you're looking to explore work-from-home opportunities with one of the largest companies in the world. So, let's dive in and get started on your new career path. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to www.amazon.jobs. This is Amazon's official job portal, where you'll find a wide range of employment opportunities available worldwide. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the homepage. This is where you can start tailoring your job search to find the position that best suits your skills and interests. It's time to input some keywords. Think about what you're looking for in a job. If you're interested in remote positions, try typing in remote. For those with a knack for helping others, customer service might be a good fit. Another great keyword combination is work from home. These keywords will help narrow down the listings to those that specifically offer the flexibility and roles you're seeking. After you've entered your desired keywords, you'll see a list of job options. A helpful tip is to further refine these results to match your specific criteria. You can use the filters to adjust by location, job type, or department. This step is crucial because it helps you narrow down the options, ensuring you apply for roles that truly align with what you're looking for. Whether you're looking for part-time or full-time work, or aiming to focus on a specific industry or region, these filters will tailor your job hunt to your needs. Once you're satisfied with your search results and see a job that catches your eye, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the detailed job listing, complete with all the information you need to determine if it's a good fit. Take your time to read through the description, responsibilities, and requirements. If everything looks good and you feel this is the right opportunity for you, the next step is to click on Apply Now. Now, before you can officially submit your application, you'll need to create an account on Amazon's job portal. If you're new to the site, don't worry, it's relatively straightforward. Simply follow the prompts to set up your account. Be ready to upload your most current resume and follow any additional application instructions provided. These will often include questions that assess your fit for the role or request more information about your qualifications. There you have it, the process on how to apply for a remote job at Amazon. Taking these steps not only brings you closer to finding the ideal work-from-home opportunity, but also opens up a world of possibilities within a globally recognized company. Best of luck and happy job hunting!